The Briggs Riley Sling Bag is designed for both everyday use and travel, offering quick access to essentials with its intelligently organized compartments. Constructed with ballistic nylon and complemented by a top-grain leather handle, this bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining a sleek appearance. Despite its compact size, the sling bag features a main compartment that comfortably accommodates a tablet, along with additional pockets for organized storage. Thoughtful design elements include a discreet side pocket for small items like wireless earbuds and a built-in pouch for sunglasses, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. The adjustable padded crossbody strap provides a secure and comfortable fit, making it an ideal choice for individuals who are constantly on the move. Briggs & Riley's commitment to quality is evident in the bag's durable construction and the lifetime repair service offered for any damage incurred through normal use.